The Attwood anchor locking control makes using a mushroom or river anchor on your small freshwater fishing boat easy and safe. It keeps the side of your boat from getting hit and scratched from the continuous rubbing of the anchor line. You can easily set and retrieve the anchor while seated. The anchor locking control can secure up to a 20-pound anchor using a 1/4 inch to 7/16 inch anchor line using the pulley system. I have included a link in the description below if you would like to purchase the Attwood anchor locking control or view additional information. Let's get started. You will need the following parts: Attwood lift and lock anchor control pulley, anchor line, 10 or 20-pound mushroom or river anchor, Gorilla Clear Grip glue. Caution: do not use any type of super glue with this application. 4 1032 by 1 inch stainless steel machine screws. 4 1032 stainless steel flat washers. 4 1032 stainless steel lock washers. 4 1032 stainless steel nuts. First, find a suitable location on your boat to install the anchor lock. I decided to install the anchor locking control on the right front bow. Place the anchor locking control into position. Make sure you have access under the desired mounting location. Note, if there is nowhere to attach the front steel tab, the anchor will still work properly without it. Align the anchor locking control and mark the 3 holes. Use a 3/16 inch drill bit. For better control of the drill bit, place the drill in low speed and keep the bit straight to make small indentions in the top surface only. Switch the drill to high speed and finish drilling the holes. Install 3 1032 by 1 inch pan head stainless steel machine screws. To keep the washers together, glue the lock washer on top of the flat washer. Make sure to align the holes. Let the glue set. When installing accessories in tight spaces, especially when you can't see, the glue gives you control to hold the washers and nuts in place to start the screws. Place a drop of glue on your finger. Set the washer. Apply glue to the washer. Align and press the nut onto the washers. Let it set for about a minute. Hold the nut under the machine screw and turn the screw until it locks on the nut. Tighten the screws down securely. Attach the anchor line to the anchor locking pulley. Push the anchor line over top of the pulley. Push the anchor line through the locking lever. Pull the anchor line all the way up to the snap link. Attach the anchor. Test the anchor lock. Pull up on the anchor line and lower the anchor slowly. Retrieve the anchor and pull down on the anchor line to lock. Determine how many feet of anchor line you will need and cut to length. Dip the cut end of the line in plastic or rubber coating to keep the end of the line from unraveling. Let the line coating fully cure. I use a plastic container like the one shown here to store the anchor line. If you would like to make one, you will need a 1-inch plastic cable grommet and a plastic container with lid. Draw an outline of the grommet on the lid. Use a 1-inch hole saw and cut the hole. Use a wire brush to clean around the hole. Apply glue to the plastic grommet and install in the lid. Let the glue cure. You can either open the lid and roll up the excess line and place it in the container, or you can push the line through the hole into the container. I store the anchor line container under the front deck. Important: never leave the anchor on the locking pulley when trailering your boat. Always store the anchor inside the boat when transporting. To use the anchor, pull the anchor line out of the container as needed. Thanks for watching.